In this video, I will be showing you how to create gradients in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and move over to click on Custom Size. From my recent layouts, I'm going to select this 8.5 by 11 inch document. Once the new design opens and the canvas loads, I'll click on the page and then select the background color icon from the top toolbar. Down in the color panel, I can scroll to find the default gradient colors and select one, like this pink and orange option, to instantly apply it. If I add a new page, I can experiment with other presets, like this blue and purple gradient, or search through the full list for something more vibrant. To create a completely custom look, I'll click the plus icon to add a new color and then switch from the solid color tab to the gradient tab. Here, I can click on the individual color circles to change them. I'll adjust this first one to a soft lavender and the second to a deeper magenta using the color slider. If I want to add more depth, I can click the plus icon within the gradient settings to add a third color, like this light yellow. Finally, I can change the style of the gradient by selecting different patterns, like this circular option, to change how the colors flow across the page. And that's all it takes to create beautiful custom gradients that make any project stand out.